Hey guys, welcome to Tennessee DIY. You ever thought of making a raised garden bed that you don't have to bend over for herbal garden? Maybe not a lot of vegetables, but an herbal garden or something? Check this out. I'll show you. Got a garden wheel here. We built this grain bin tower up on top. A lot more things we'll show later, but little silo garden. Check this out. So instead of bending over all the time, you literally have just your platform here, and you literally can just move this. It's 1,000 pounds of dirt and your drainage gravel, and then different herbs you can put in here. We don't have herbs in here yet, but we just have some boxwoods just to give it the aesthetic beauty. But look at this, you can just rotate your garden, pick the weeds, and how I made this is, these free spin with the weight, the nails you can pop out, so if you want to pull it out. But all you got to do is rotate it, pick the weeds, pick your herbs, and then just move it again, and it makes it really, really nice. See that, guys? And it's just a big garden wheel, raised garden bed, and you spin it if you want. I have little holes drilled in the bottom of these, keep the rainwater from overtaking it. You can see little holes on each side. And you can grow whatever you want in there, guys. And it's partially shaded, partially sunny, which keeps it nice. And all you do is stand in one spot, never bending over, and it's the way to do it. If you have a spot to do it on the side of a shed or something, it's just a big garden water wheel. And I used just some long boards, green treated, pressure treated stuff, and then of course these are car rear wheel bearings, so they're made to hold over 1,000 pounds each, and they just are bolted into some electric poles. And there it is, guys, just a beautiful raised garden bed. And some other raised beds that we've made as well is screw 2 tires together and then put some cedar, all these juniper cedar trees. You're always going to have some trimming every year, so we'll trim those branches off. You have leftovers, and you just put them on, screw them to the sides of your tires, and you can make raised flower beds. I wouldn't recommend necessarily growing vegetables or fruit in tires, but just random flowers and stuff. It's just absolutely gorgeous. And we've got a couple of those around the property here. It just makes the whole thing natural, organic, kind of matches the environment. And it's just absolutely beautiful. So guys, I thought I'd give you the tip for the raised garden beds for the day. And if you like this, give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.